Hello everybody, Modest Monker here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a gorilla tag. How to add scary baboon-like monster walking to your gorilla tag fan game. So this is actually very easy. So you want to open your Unity project. Hold on, let me just close. Drag in any oh wait, y'all can't see nothing yet. Okay. Okay, for some reason y'all still can't see it. Hold on. Let me just... I'm just trying to do it, something. Oh, it's this one. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you how to make scary baboon-like add scary baboon-like walking to your gorilla tag fan game, kind of like in my game. I used a different system though. I'm just gonna show you the real scary baboon system. So first you want to drag in any monster model you want, just anything. I'm just gonna use this model. Then you want to texture it, obviously. I'll just put random things on it. It's just for the tutorial. I'm not really gonna texture it nice. Yeah. This is my monster, I guess. So before you get to the monster, you want to click on where you want it to walk. For example, it's this giant cube for me. Then you want to add, okay. So I just keep forgetting stuff. So before you do any of that, you want to go to Window, Package Management, Package Manager, or just Package Manager if you're using 2021. For me, it takes a little bit. I'll just add some Subway Surfers gameplay y'all can watch as this thing is loading. Okay, forget that. I'll still keep the gameplay right here. Alright, once it's done, you want to install AI navigation right here. Install it. I already have it. And then you want to find animation rigging like this, and then download it. You can pause the video if you're not done downloading, but I'm just not. So then when you have those two, you should see a thing up here that says animation rigging. Yeah. And then before you get to your monster, after you're done installing AI navigation, you want to go click on where you want the monster to walk and search up nav mesh, and then you want to find nav mesh surface. For me, it just looks like this. You want to change your voxel size to at least 0.027. That's a good one for me. And then you want to press bake. And then if you click on gizmos, you should see all of it turn blue, which means the monster can walk there. So when you have that, now you can click on your monster right here. Click on him in your hierarchy, press prefab, unpack completely. Well, you want to right click on him, prefab, unpack completely. And then now you want to click on your monster again. Well, not only on the monster. You want to click on their, it has to be rigged. You want to press armature and then bone renderer setup. Then you should see a bunch of bones everywhere. So now here comes the fun part. There's going to be a link in the description for a Google Drive link with with a Unity package and a script you can download. So just paste in the link. I'll just Google Drive. Why the hell am I on Wikipedia? Okay. Google Drive sign in. So then you want to go into copy the link. Then you want to download horror tutorial B.Awesome.unity package. So this package was made by another guy, not me. Credit him, B.Awesome, I'll put credits. Then procedural animation. And then download those two. You want to drag them into Unity, but I already have them, so yeah. So now you want to drag them into here, and when you drag in the horror tutorial, there should be a folder that says horror. Then you want to click on your monster and then drag on monster navigation. Change this to body like that. And then you want to click on add and then search up nav mesh, and then you should see nav mesh agent. Turn off auto braking and then drag that under here. So now you want to click on your monster, press animation rig setup, and then you're going to see rig 1. If you already have a rig, your bones say rig, you still have to do this. So you want to create an empty game object under rig 1, call it R, and then duplicate it, Control D, and then make it capital L. And then on those two, select them both, add component, search two bone IK constraint. Then you want to find the hand bones of your things and drag it under tip. For right or R, drag on the right hand. Mine is bone 0.024, and my left is bone 0.011. So now that you have that, you want to click on the 3 dots, auto setup from tip transform. Do this one at a time, and then on right, auto setup from tip transform. So now that you have that, to make it look like White from Scary Baboon, you see these, they're called hints. Delete them if you want it to look like White from Scary Baboon. What they basically do is just they snap back. It's good to if you want it to look just like in Scary Baboon, it's good to drag it under them like this, and then to have them perfectly aligned instead of you just dragging them everywhere. And to have them perfectly aligned, instead of just dragging them everywhere, you click on the right target, in my case, then you hold down Control, click on L target, animation rigging, align position. So now they're both in the same position. So that's not all you have to do. And click on your monster again, and then that script you downloaded that called procedural animation, you drag it onto your monster. This is really important. Change velocity multiplier from 15 to 7. Step size, I would change this to 1.2. Smoothness, I would change that to 14. Step height, 1.2. And then where it says leg targets, you click the little lock up here, and then you select both of your targets, and then drag it on there. So, yeah, you're pretty much set now, but there is one more thing you have to do if you want your monster to, like, wander around the map, just like in Scary Baboon. Keep it locked, and then go here, create empty, and then just start spamming these around your map. So this one, I'm just gonna put them in each corner because why not? I mean, that's what I'm really going to do. So just drag them anywhere around the map, and I'll play test it. So now, yeah, keep the lock on, like locked, and then click on your monster. No, don't click on your monster. Click on your first nav point, and then hold down shift, and then select them all, and then drag them into points. Now you pretty much have it all selected, but where it says body right here, there is one thing you have to do. So basically, you do need Photon VR for this. You want to go to Photon VR player. Yeah, I did change the player for my game. Cry about it. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I shouldn't be rude like that. So you want to select your player. Unlock it. And then you want to add body. I already have it. Just press the plus, then name it body. Yeah. And then add tag and add body. Yeah. So that's pretty much all you gotta do. And then, yeah. It should chase you. But you can change the speed, like, yeah. And then speed detection range, you can change that to all your map, or just like little, so that when they wander they can find you. That's like in Scary Baboon. So now I'm gonna play test it, not in my VR though. Alright, hopefully this works. Alright, this isn't showing. So sometimes it breaks. I'll show you how to fix this. So when it does that, that is obviously very annoying. This happened to me before. It's very easy to fix. So you want to drag the targets over like this. And then when your thing was in the floor, you want to select its bone, then drag it up a lot like that. So you want to drag it. Yeah. Let's see if it works now. Yeah. So it's a glitch that's really weird. Scary Baboon fixed it very easily. Yeah. Okay, I know there's no cameras. So as you can see, it's still going over there, which is very annoying. But if you keep dragging it enough, you will be able to get it back. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Yeah. Expect more tutorials soon. Bye. Okay, bye-bye.